Hi guys, this is your channel host Vignesh for Channel Touring Techies. So in today's vlog, I'm going to introduce to you the SteelSeries Siberia P100. So these are the budget gaming headphones which I bought it a few days before, and I think that these headphones are worthy, guys, because on my first impression of this headphones, I was feeling that it had a soft touch and a good build quality in it. So I was impressed on the first look itself, and after that the texture of the foam which they have used is so good. So I'll just show you the unboxing of this SteelSeries headphones. So please sit back and see. So guys, I think that the unboxing was good enough, and now I will just explain you in detail how the headphones look. So this is how the package comes in a good plastic box, so you will not have any shipping damage. And about the shipping, I need to say that I bought it from eBay. It's also available in Amazon. So I will just post both of the link in the description box below, so you can just buy it from those links. But I want to also mention that these headphones come in a hard box, so that it will not break in the shipping process. And I received within the 2 days, guys. It comes from Mumbai, and I received within 2 days through FedEx. It's not international shipping, it's just inside Indian shipping, so you can easily buy it. I bought it at a price of 1340 rupees, and it's available in Amazon at a price of 1600 rupees. So you can just purchase on any other websites, and Amazon makes a good delivery within 1 day, guys. So you can just take that delivery also. So before seeing it in detail, we'll just see the specifications of this headphones. If you want to see it clearly, please pause down the video and see it down. We'll see in detail now. I just keep it aside, and these are the headphones. I will take it out of the box. So these are the headphones, guys, and here you can just find the branding over here. And guys, these are one of the branded headphones which you can just get it in a lower and budget price. It has different features like it has a good foam in the top, and also it has a good foam in the side. So previously I was using two headphones like the Intex and the Philips. So I'll just show you those headphones. This was my first headset, and this is the Intex one, which is one of the wireless, and also you can just connect with the aux port over here. I am using it as now wired one because the wireless unit is working good only, but we need to spend some battery for doing that wireless work. So I am using it as a wired one, but it's too stiff, and I'm getting pain over here. My ears are paining, and because it's of a small category, guys. See, it doesn't, our ear doesn't enter here, so you can't have a good feel on it. So I am frustrated with this because every time I wear it for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, I just get a pain over here, and it's too tough to wear. But it's okay for internet usage, quite a small usage of 15 minutes. You can just use it for 15 minutes, not for 1 hour, 2 hour gaming and all. So it's not worthy for that. And the second one I bought is this Philips one, which is also a good headphones, guys. I love this headphones, but you can now still see that the foam has damaged. The foam is so now you can just see here the foam is damaged. A good build quality, guys. It had an awesome sound, but there is no volume control in it. It's one of the downside, but I like this headphones because it had a too much soft feel. After updating from these headphones, I was loving these headphones, but it didn't survive for a long period of time because of wire breakage over here. I got a wire breakage. You can just see it over here. There was a wire breakage, so it failed. I was in search of lots of headphones, and I found one of the branded headphones. It is one of the debut brand for me. First time I'm seeing through this brand, and it is the SteelSeries headphones, and it is my first time purchase. On my first time purchase itself, it gave me a good impression on it. So I think that we can go in detail about these headphones. I'm hearing music for past one day. Yesterday itself I did the unboxing, but today I'm just giving you a one day review like something. So I heard the musics a lot, but the musics were of good quality and I had a good bass on it. I have lots of faults in it also, guys, but I don't want to pinpoint it because I didn't use it for a long period of time. So after using it for a long period of time, I'll just say it in a video where it'll be good enough, but not now. Okay, so we will see in detail that it has the normal extensions which you have it, but it's of a good length, guys, and it fits your head in a good format. So people of different head sizes, it's compatible. Okay, and after that, the foam structure, you can just see the foam structure over here. They have a good feel on it, and it's like a cloth like foam, which makes it comfortable on our ears, and it doesn't give a pain over here. If you use it for more than 6 hours to 7 hours of gaming, then also you will not feel the pain in your ears, guys, and it's too loud. You can also find that it's adjustable over here. See, there's an adjusting mechanism. You can just find it over here. From this itself, we can just see that they have given importance for every single part of this headphones. Even it is one of the budget one, they have given the maximum features in it. So they have also given a button over here. Here you can just find there is a push button over here. There's a push button. You can just hear it. I think you have heard that click. The main function of this button is for playing and pausing the music. That is the main function of this button, but there is no volume control. That is one of the downside for gaming headphones. But it's okay, guys. If you had to have a separate amplifier, if you are a gamer, surely I think that you would have a separate amplifier which can increase the volume and decrease the volume. But if you increase the volume virtually in the computer itself, damn sure say that the headphone sound is great, guys. Really great. So guys, they have given a 3.5mm jack, so it's compatible with the PC, PS4 and also with the smartphone. So for a small scale of testing, I'm going to use my smartphone for testing this headphones. So you can also listen to the music what I am listening, okay? Only at higher volumes, guys. Don't worry, guys, your sound privacy will be maintained and you will have a good audio quality in it. I also want to mention that it has a Dolby Digital feature where it works on the Dolby 5.1. So the extreme bass which you hear is great, guys. The vocal quality is also good, but I may say that they could have improved the vocal quality in it. So if you are in a movie based guy, then it's easy for you to hear the conversations, but due to the bass increase, some of the vocal peaks are missing in this, but that is one of the downsides. But while coming on the music part, it does an amazing job, guys. You can just use the equalizer and increase the vocal volume and reduce the bass in it. But on the VLC media player, if you are using in a computer or in a PS4, also you can increase the vocal and reduce the bass, but it's however gives a great quality of audio. So now we will just go for the testing of this headsets. So I'll just okay. Now I think that I'll just select a music. So as is the NCS app, I'm just clicking it and I'll be playing some music. So this is the left side, guys, and I'll just hear it. Wait a minute, you will also listen to the music. I'll just switch off this fan. It's not full, so guys, it's not in full volume. So it's not in full volume. Just listen to the full volume, guys. It's great, guys. It's really great. The sound is great. You can hear it from here. It's a van. I'm sitting here. The headphones are there. I can hear it. The total room is in silence. I can hear the volume, guys. It's great. The audio quality is good. See, I've just reduced the volume. And I should just show you the function of this button. I've just paused the music. It has passed.
Now it has started playing.
So guys, it has also a pause play button, and it's awesome guys. This audio quality is good. So guys, I think that this video would have been helpful for you to know how this product works and the first impression of this product. So if you like this video, please do like, share and comment down below guys. The comments are more important. And this is Vignesh signing off by saying live your passion and stay positive.